What is the biggest prime number that you can form from 1, 3, and 5? What is the biggest prime number that can form using 1, 3, and 5?
The biggest prime number. So it's not 1, 3, 5.
Why?
Because it can be divisible by 5.
Okay, 1, 3, 5 can be divided by 5, right? Because it ends with 5. 1, 5, 3. But is 1, 5, 3 divisible by any number?
1, 3. It's 5 by 3.
How do you know 1, 5, 3 can be divided by 3? 1, 3, 5 cannot because it ends with 5, right? And then there cannot be 1, 5, 3 because 150 can be divided by 3. 3 can be divided by 3. So this is out, right? The problem is this. There are quite a few numbers that can be formed using 1, 3, and 5, right? It can be 3, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, and so on. 5, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 3. So I'm not going to go down the list, but rather I'm going to make use of the hints that they gave you. And what does the hint say? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. There must be a reason why they wrote the hint in this question. Okay? A number can be divided by 3 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. This one, some of you may have come across this before. Some of the tricks in divisibility. So if you add up the sum of the digits, in this case, if the number is a 3-digit number, it's 1 plus 3 plus 5. Because there are 3 digits here, right? 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. Is this divisible by 3? This is divisible by 3. Okay? In other words, no matter how you arrange 1, 3, and 5, the 3-digit numbers are all divisible by 3. Okay? So, you cannot have any 3-digit numbers. Okay? Yeah, so we cannot use any 3-digit numbers. So, we have to focus on 2-digit numbers. Okay? So, for your 2-digit numbers, what's the largest number?
5, 3. 5, 3.
Okay. Your biggest 2-digit number you say is 53, right? This will be your biggest. How about the smallest number? Smallest prime number? 1, 3, and 5. They said take the biggest minus the smallest, right? So what's the smallest?
13.
But 13, any number that's smaller than 13? Is 1 a prime number?
Oh. 3.
1 is not a prime number. The smallest 1 digit will then be 3. Actually, this one should be prime. So you take the biggest minus the smallest.
If you would like to learn more from these tutorials, please smash that like and subscribe button.